ball.
My ball. Going into the back nine.
Shot here again for Dave. He gets his 2 in a row. This is about 440 yards going round the corner. Don't know if that's in play. I think that's in whatever that is.
Don't know. It's hard to see, isn't it, today?
Yeah, it's very hazy.
Very bright and hazy, yeah.
I think you just go at those little group of trees, don't you?
Yeah, there's a disc on the fairway there, so that might be the 200er. If it is, he might be over, you know. That's safe.
I have not hit a ball anywhere in the middle of any of my clubs.
Tell me about it.
Weird. It's very weird. Tell me about it. Tell me about it.
So we reckon it's down there.
I reckon you go rip over this little tree at the most furthest right, but you have to rip it. Safe as you just skank it at those trees on the left, isn't it? It's a bit low left in play, but he probably will run through there.
Right, that is very deceptive, that drive, isn't it? We're in the middle. I thought we'd be up by those trees.
Yeah, we weren't seeing that back, were we?
No, and Davey's fine, but he's got a little incident landing by the old water over there. He's got a slight mud ball.
Mud ball!
Mud ball! How's that going to react then?
That should go left.
Do you know which way it goes with the mud on certain sides?
Go left.
Club? Oh, that one, is it? No, he zoned, didn't he? Davey hasn't got the shout the yardage in club yet. How far have you got? 200? Oh, that needs to fly a bit. Is that a bank ball?
Bank ball.
He's desperate to try and lose it, isn't he?
Bank ball.
If I can hit a ball, like strike anything.
Rinky?
Yeah.
This normally is the club you do it.
Yeah, this is the one, isn't it?
Normally goes high and bit draw, stiff, done, thanks. Nope. Pulled left.
Just not feeling anything.
Bunker maybe.
Nice old round the lake. 170 something.
184.
184, quite inviting. Water shouldn't really come into play now. I wasn't thinking of the water with my second at all. It's just chuck it on there. 6.
Yeah.
You've gone in it in the water, have you?
Is that going?
Didn't see a splash.
I think it's bank all then in. That water isn't in play, by the way. Is that yours?
Yeah. Are you allowed to move stuff now in these? You are, aren't you?
Go on, I don't care, yeah. Yeah, I think you can.
You can, can't you?
Go on, Davey.
I can't see this coming out.
Came out. Sit.
Come out too well.
Just short of the bunker. You're right, you get a shot.
What am I doing here?
I don't know. That is such a bad second. Right, coach is in the lake.
Oh God, please don't sink. Oh, it's a little squelchy. A little squelchy. I'm gonna hit this quite quick now.
Oh yeah, just over my wedge. Quite good shot. You had all the hazard and my wedge to get over there. It was good.
Bunker shot for Mark. And no, again, it's beautiful around here. Water and everything, views. Really nice. Played that lovely.
Yeah, very good.
Stop.
Left himself a nice uphill putt there too. Davey coming down the slope, putting on. Left to right with a shot. Needs to sit. Needs to hit his ball. Thank you. Move that back.
Just now playing this all outrageously, is he?
He's got a shot as well. What's this?
Tip over the back, hit my ball, stop it in 5-4, win the hole.
Shall I?
Yeah, go on. Go on. 5-4 it.
That's so bad.
Good use.
This is for a 5, is it?
Use the old shot.
In. Tried. You're still going to share the points here, pick it up. That is the most outrageous series of shots I think I've ever seen in a row. That's funny. Right, this for a par. Could win all the points. Stay up. Yes. Fighting for hell of an up and down that. That is hilarious.
Always a par again,
Yeah.
wasn't it, hey? Yeah, that is lovely house, that one. Nice 2 little trees there as well, little spirally ones.
Yeah, they are nice.
So, this for 3 points.
Just for 3 points, yeah, share it. Share it with your good self. We'll just get my hair out of the way, man.
Can't you... I've got an idea.
Yeah, I'm fine.
I've got a good idea.
Nervous now.
Yeah, good for.
3 points each.
It's an up and down.
Pop your collar, go on, pop your collar.
And then put it under.
Yeah,
No, but the
whack
thing
it.
you're not understanding is that I'm taking it on and off. So what happens is it's good. The rope is good.
Okay, bored now.
Oh, blimey, that was a bit rude of me. Sorry, bruh. I do love the hat, really. Scores on the doors? 8-1-0.
11-1.
Straight at the flag I'm going.
Yeah, it's safe.
Stay left.
Good.
Drifting a little.
Yeah, good shot. Well done. Go on, Davey, if you're ready. Yeah. You're ready. 3 wood.
Yeah. Down that right hand side, I think. Yeah, it's a good play. 3 wood, that's good, isn't it?
Yeah, that's good.
That's a good play with a 3 wood. Oh, that's lumpying, eh?
Lumpy in. Yeah, nice.
Shot, Matt. Nice shot.
Sensible.
Right, 128 for coach. Straight over the bunker here. I'm presuming it's a wedge.
Wind, isn't it?
Yeah, into. You got a little 9, have you?
I've got a wedge, but I'm gonna just hit it harder now. It's into wind, isn't it? Over he goes to his ball. What have you got, Davey?
107. 50, I think.
50, 107. Like it. Feely. Quite a full one, actually. Yeah, just right at the pin. Good shot. Very nice, very nice. Mark zapping. Yeah, it is into, yeah. Mark zapping over here. Drop this off. Par field. 56 coach. One of them.
94 yards.
94. What is it?
I'm bare whiffing at the minute.
Bear with. Bear with, everyone. Bear with.
Because it's all, everyone's a bit short. I mean, David's not short. I don't know if he's short actually. You reckon he's short?
Oh, nick the air back.
You reckon he's short?
The pin eye right.
Oh, there's a slope there, isn't there?
Little left. Good weight, I reckon. Yeah.
It's the bit I was more concerned about. Coach is a bit nervous that Davey might be making a 9th birdie here.
Oh.
That's how you play those, Davey.
Beauty.
Hey?
Shot, Matt. Thank you.
Little low spinner in there.
Didn't bring the putter.
Don't need to. Hit greens, what?
What? Who?
Pars, yeah,
Do
what?
what?
Me? Greens in what?
No, that's not golf. Got to do all parts of the game, haven't you?
We need another up and down count on this video, don't we?
That's definitely the last 2 holes.
We needed to get the other side of this bank, didn't we?
Yeah, you're a bit unlucky there. Birdie putts for more points. Up and over the ridge, so distance control a little trickier. That's not the line. Or the weight. Oh, we're gonna see a we're gonna see
that.
no, giving up on that one. Giving up.
That's a 5 for me. You can have a point.
I'll have 2, thanks.
You can have 3.
3 maybe. Davey slotting though for the 9th birdie of his tour. No, he's, oh my goodness, I'll see that too. Why not? I'm gonna get 4 points. Nonchalant putt. Oh, 3 points each. That catches us up though, Davey. So that's 11-4-3. 11-4-3. Take 3 is 8-1.
8-1.
8-1.
8-1.
Closing.
We needed that little head off, Davey.
Yeah.
Cool. Getting all a little bit bright in here. That's better. Score update 5-1-0.
Right, Davey with the honour. Par 4, 400 so yards, straight down all the way up the right. Beautiful around the water here. Yeah, it is. Little flaily again, but I don't think it's not reaching waters, is it?
Yeah. You said no there. As in no, it's alright, or?
No, it's not in the water. That's just bad.
Low on the face. I think you might be close there.
Freewood for coach, that's, oh I don't, that's fine, is it? Is there water on both sides?
Sure.
Because obviously there's,
Over water, didn't we?
I think you have to do it miles left to reach, so there's definitely got to be water there. Oh, I can't remember, did it go all the way up the last hole on the left, or did it stop?
No, it just
Mm,
sort of
stopped
curved
a
up to
bit,
that bump
yeah.
that you carried it over.
Yeah,
I
and
think
it
that was
stopped.
it.
Yeah, that's fine, that's the minute.
Not a very good shot again.
Certainly not your best, that.
Not the best. Driver for Mark. Straight to green, innit?
Well, it is, isn't
Sit
it?
it down there.
Left as well, but I think it'll be fine there.
Yeah, it's absolutely fine.
Yeah. All good.
On 70 yardas.
Start to get a wear mark in the middle of my club.
Oh, player.
Never think I've ever had one of those.
Let's have a look. I had them as a kid.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Show Cam.
And if you can get
Can you hold it up for us? Can you hold
very
it?
slight,
Nice and still.
very small.
And hard to see.
There.
You're moving it a bit. I'm quite zoomed. Yeah. Bit out the neck or toe.
Pure, actually.
Always slightly out the heel they were, because obviously blades used to be more heel based.
Heel based, yeah.
Because they weren't so.
Heel based.
They weren't able to move the weight. Like they weren't so thinking about where to put the weight.
Mm. Right, 170, 7-iron. Davey, you alright?
You got it? Go on and have a swipe of your arms. Oh, look at that. He's through the palm trees. There he is.
Birds out in the water there as well.
Yeah, there were, yeah.
They look pink, are they flamingos, or is that like me being ridiculous?
They might be. I can't see the colour. Has he swung yet?
Yeah.
Shot, Davey!
Because the course we played the other day was called that,
Yeah,
wasn't
it was. Yeah, they might. I can't see a colour. Oh, you're looking way out.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. They probably are. I'm going to zoom in on the camera and you won't. My eyes can't.
Yeah. I reckon it could be, you know. It might be a good shout, not a crazy shout.
Yeah.
Where did you go?
Just down the right hand side.
Alright, I'll go down with you.
Your side, Matt.
Yeah. Friendly side. Yeah.
That's short, right, though, isn't it? You've duffed it a bit. No.
Right out in the distance.
Right out there, birds, are they? Yeah.
What do you think?
Look at the noise. There's a lot of noise coming from out there.
Yeah.
Found them.
It's like Dawlish Warren's a bit like this.
They go all the way across.
Like
Yeah.
a bird estuary. It's like a natural home.
I reckon it is. I reckon that's a good shout.
I do. I can see an amazing shout.
There's hundreds of them.
I would say more than that.
Thousands of them.
It is. I'm intrigued. I'm going to Google it.
Yeah. Did I see flamingos today? Search. Hello, I'm Coach Lockey. Have I seen loads of flamingos? I got 8 iron, not sure I'm reaching, but I'm from the rough a bit, so I'm happy to come up short and fly the green with you two scabbing about.
Bit knuckly, isn't
Yeah,
it?
that should work, because that's
Yeah, that's just past the pin. Good
that
shot.
was a good use of. You can see where I've hit it there.
Yeah, nice and high.
Much higher than I would have
Boom.
normally have got it.
Yeah, well done.
When you're ready, Davey. Making his way up the right. No shot, obviously. This is his third. Likes a pitch, doesn't he, this boy? Likes a pitch shot. Not getting any focus through the buggy.
Oh, it's just short.
Just short. Unlucky, Davey. Just short. Oh, shoulders went down. You can't pitch and putt all your life.
Would have flown it a bit further if that
Oh,
was me.
leave it a good iron shot here. Isn't it?
Another cracker, isn't it?
Yeah. Alright, Coach's going to just demonstrate the up and down skills yet again.
Spin a bit.
Yeah, pick it up, Matt. Here's another. There's another one. You don't need to hit greens, Davey.
Doesn't need a putt.
Look at the view here. It is just amazing place to play golf.
Look at it. Yeah.
Absolute stunning. And that is definitely some flock of immense amount of birds out there.
Am I?
Yeah, pick it up. I think it's flamingos. I'm not sure if Coach has seen them yet. His eyes aren't that good. Go on, Davey.
Go on, Davey. Let's...
Out.
Yeah, have that.
Yeah, nice shot, Davey. Putting look at that. Oh, that's his new profile picture. No.
It's wide.
That you can have though. Is that a 5?
Yeah, lovely 5.
Oh, 5. This for a birdie. Look at that. These just get shots everywhere. Oh, lovely. Beautiful.
See that on Instagram about a couple of months ago, everyone?
Yeah, scroll back. December.
Crossfield Mark, if you haven't hit the thumbs up button already on the vlogs, if you like the course vlogs, make sure you're hitting the thumbs up. You're getting a bit lazy. Don't they, Matt?
Very.
I don't just wear this hat for fun, you know?
I don't chip and putt and miss greens for fun either.
Yes, for the thumbs up.
Yeah.
I'm good at putting, so this should go quite close, I reckon.
I think he's read it wrong.
Definitely read this one well.
I think
Wasn't just taking pictures. That's as close as I can get that.
Pick that up. 3-3.
Every putt straight or what?
I feel like you read that a bit wrong. I thought it was a little this way, tiny
right.
bit. Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't. I was taking pictures at the crucial reading stage.
Tiny bit. It's not a lot. It might even go right at the end though.
I might hit everything straight.
Yeah, it does go that way at the end.
There, didn't it?
Yeah. 8-1 it was. So now it's